experiences, and whether I liked it or not, they were always positive experiences. I mean, whether gustuhan ko yung lasa or not, they were always positive experiences, and that I remember even now as an adult. So I think na having those experiences in the place where you grew up is very important, and everyone should do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dian, ano naman sa mga food na ipinatikim sa'yo ni Sam yung hindi mo makakalimutan?
Hindi ko makakalim in a good or bad way.
Nasa sa'yo.
May bad way ba?
May good and
Meron
bad.
din, syempre.
Pareho.
Sige. Okay, I don't wanna ruin the surprise, pero yung in a bad way, it was a reptile. I don't wanna do it again. Tapos yung in a good way, ang dami. He knows na gusto ko yung mga salted egg things. Yun, inuwian niya ako ng mga ganyan sometimes. At saka, may tofu squares kaming kinainan na very yummy also.
Why, ano yung reptile? Anong lasa niya? Bakit ayaw mo na ulit? Ahas?
Actually, yung sauce niya masarap naman kasi parang niluto nila as a regular ulam. Masarap naman. Hindi ko lang talaga matanggal sa isip ko kung ano siya dahil may
Ano ba?
alaga akong ganun nung bata ako.
Ano ba siya?
So,
Ahas or...
turtle.
turtle.
But, you know, memorable. I think I'll remember it hanggang maging lola ako.
So, paano yung naging challenge bago mo kainin? Ano yung mga sinabi mo kay Sam? Nung in-offer niya sa'yo yun?
Okay, binigyan kasi nila ako ng choice. At it was, para bang yun yung punishment. Para bang yun yung punishment.
Naging game kayo.
Ganon.
Hindi naman kayo nag-aaway ni Sam after.
Muntik na. Tapos na-realize ko it's just a game.
Pero nakain mo pa rin ba siya, Rian?
Just a bite. Oo.
And then afterwards, you blew
Afterward,
up.
hindi. Pero honestly, nag-gag ako ng konti kasi nasa isip ko.
Yes.
Alaga mo kasi.
Ikaw naman, ano yung pinatikim mo sa kanya na hindi niya makalimutan?
Well,
Hindi. Kiss.
Dito susugan ko yung tanong dito Tamars kanila. Since nanggaling nga rin kay FB na pag-usap kapag sa kayo ikakasal, parang malapit na ba to? Nakikita na ba natin to in the very near future?
well, of course, I can't say kung malapit na o hindi. Of course, we talk about it. Nakikita namin yun sa future namin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan niya balak. Kasi there's a very important question that needs to be asked bago yun.
Yes. Yung very important question na yun. Hindi mo ba talaga siya ibinabagsak?
Ay, hindi ba? Totoo yun hindi pa ako natatanong.
Pero
Pero
okay.
handa ka naman anytime na tanongin na nga niya.
Well, oo, kasi napag-uusapan naman talaga namin. And sometimes we fantasize about things, about our future, na parang, sana someday, ganito din tayo, ganyan. Ganun na din kami mag-usap.
So parang
Na,
I'm
we're
sure
not
may
afraid to
inkling.
make plans.
I'm sure may inkling ka na kung kailan.
Kung kailan hindi, yun yung wala.
Pero yung dream wedding mo na sabi mo na rin sa kanya.
The truth is, and alam niyo naman to about me, na I actually don't really have a dream wedding. Hindi yun isang bagay na I grew up thinking about. In fact, I never dreamed of being married or anything like that. It's really just when I met him that I became more comfortable with the idea of it. So, yun yung absolute truth. Kaya yung kanina, yung sinagot ko, di ba, bahala ka kung saan mo gusto. Kasi sa totoo lang talaga, wala akong expectation kung saan
So wala
ka.
kayong destination.
Isip sa'yo about settling.
I think the way we are able to solve conflicts with each other, that's what makes me believe na I can really grow with this person and he can really grow with me.
Pero wala ka talaga yung halimbawa destination wedding, di ba? Hindi ka
Wala wala akong kahit anong concept, wala, kahit dress. Kahit, promise, kahit dress, kahit color theme,
Pero
kahit
Manila raw eh.
wala.
Okay ba sa'yo yung Manila raw? Sa Manila?
Quiapo Church.
Yeah, okay din sa akin. Somewhere in in
Manila.
Manila.
Pwedeng maging topic yung wedding venue sa Where in Manila.
No, that's a great idea.
Yes,
I never
oo.
thought of it. Pwede din, ang dami-dami talagang magagandang churches in Manila, so posible din. And I'm sure there are a lot of viewers that would love to get married in Manila also. May time na namasyal kami. It's not part of the show. Nag-date lang kami sa Intramuros. And ayun nga, kumain kami, namasyal, picture-picture, gano'n. And then may nakita kami nagbebenta ng dirty ice cream sa harap ng isang isang simbahan. Tapos so pumunta kami doon para bumili ng ice cream. May kinakasal doon at the time. So tinitignan namin yung wedding nila na nakatayo lang kami doon sa entrance. Medyo nanonood kami ng wedding ng ibang tao. And then parang it just became like a sobering experience for both of us. Na parang, wow, a wedding. Yung parang, nagtinginan lang kami na parang, wow, adulthood. And then, so we took a photo. And I showed it to my mom. And apparently that was the church pala where she and my dad got married. And I didn't know.
San Agustin? San Agustin, yes.
And I didn't know about it. I mean, obviously, I wasn't born. So, ayun, tingin din ako ng pictures. I can't believe na I'm, again, unknowingly taking a picture lang at para sa akin isang random location. But it's actually quite meaningful pala in my life and in my family.
Pero Rian,
Parang nag-embrace mo na talaga ang pagiging Manileño kasi alam ko from the South eh. So, how was it? Saka yung sa relationship niyo sa his running, ano ba to? Mas nagiging strong ba kayo or dahil paano siyempre in terms of time and everything na-apektuhan din ang relationship?
Well, sa totoo lang, may mga sariling challenges din sa relationship namin because of yung pagtakbo niya. Kasi syempre, it's very time-consuming. And also, my own job is very time-consuming. Lalo na pag we're in the middle of shooting a big teleserye or a movie. It's also very time-consuming. So, pag nagkaka-conflict kami